Many Tata Harrier buyers had already said that addition of a sunroof would make a huge difference to the appeal of the car. The sunroof is already a fan favorite in India across all car buyers and especially in the segment Harrier falls. Now Tata is offering sunroof as an official accessory with the Harrier for a price of Rs 95,100 plus installation charges. The sunroof would be available as part of the Tata Motors genuine accessories lineup. The Harrier's electric sunroof H300 will be manufactured by Webasto, and existing Harrier buyers can have theirs fitted from their nearest Tata Motors dealership. Tata Motors would give 2 years warranty on the sunroof from the date of installation.